I bought myself 425 cells on Alibaba from a company called Hvvea, and it came, so this is the box they came in, and it came with some kind of test report here. Covers parameters like appearance, dimension, battery performance like capacity discharged at 0.5C, voltage, internal resistance, and that's about it. It's important on here. So on to the important part, the cells themselves. So this actually was put together. I've already opened it just to take a quick look at them. But basically here we've got 25 of the cells, and they come in these neat little white boxes that keep them apart from one another. So we'll just put these aside for the moment. I'll just dump them out to look at right here. And just line them up for a sec. Alright, and then most of the cells came in these boxes here, right? So it's 425. There's 4 boxes of 100, plus 25 more over there. And so these cells came in here. They're light blue. They say ICR 18650-25C, 9.25 watt hours, and they have the manufacturer name on them, Hvvea. That's Hvvea. There's 2 V's in it. Okay, and they're separated by these little cardboard separators. There's actually no packing material in the box to speak of. There's a little border of extra cardboard around it, and then the box actually came wrapped in bubble wrap on 4 of the sides, wrapped in packing tape, followed by some straps, plastic straps kind of. All the batteries look quite good. They're all in here. They're a little bit kind of not well aligned. Some of the batteries kind of escaped between their dividers, but in general that seems fine. They came quite quickly in just about 2 weeks with express shipping, whatever express shipping means. I think they must have come air freight to California, and then it took about a week for FedEx to bring them to my business here. So that's them. Let's go ahead and take them out, and we'll do a little bit of testing. So I've got my tester over here. This is a Xanflare C4. So the Xanflare C4 is kind of one of my favorites, and it's pretty easy to load up with batteries like this. So just do that to reset it, and then we're going to go ahead and do, I guess we'll do a full normal test to start with. I'll do it at 500 to save time and to get a good test off of them. So 500 milliamp hours. These cells are, I think they're 9.25 watt hours. Comes out to 2.5 amp hours. So that'll take about 5 hours down, 5 hours up, 5 hours. I should say 5 hours up, 5 hours down, 5 hours back. So up to 15 hours total. It's going to take quite a while. I've ordered another type of charger that should be much faster. But for comparison, before I bought these, I just had a couple of cells around here. These were some Samsung 26Fs that I rewrapped, so they're yellow now. They were 2600 milliamp hour approximately, and then there was a couple of cells around 2500 milliamp hours that came from some of these flashlights like this. And so I was testing those out to see how they are, and decided that it was time to go big and purchase a lot more cells. I also have a couple of these IMAX B6 chargers, and I wired up a couple of 18650 holders for them. So we're going to give those a try as well. It should go a lot faster than these individual chargers, but honestly this wiring situation isn't good, and I'm not too pleased with that. The other test that I was going to do is a common one for looking for fakes. Now, these aren't fakes because they're not a name brand to begin with. They're Hvvea cells. So let's just check out their weight, and I'll be producing some statistical data based on these, but we'll just give it a shot right now. So we've got 47 grams. 46.7, 48.6, 48.8, sorry, 46.8, 47.1, 46.5. So they're all quite good, not too light, not too heavy, and we'll give you some more data later. Eventually, they're going to look like this. So these are these black cell holders, and I've got some really large ones around here, and then we're going to be doing battery tab welding. So I have a welder, some nickel strips, and we'll put them together into a pack. More on that later.